It's Dan, and we're back with another product review. So this product review is the engine super starter from ANCEL. It's model number BS200. So I'm gonna show you guys what it does and the functions in the app and all that. All right, so for this car, I'm using my dad's car because for my Range Rover, for some reason, it wouldn't work. So using my dad's car, his battery is under his back seat. So you guys see right here what it does. Every time you start your car, instead of the battery taking the hit, it would be the super starter. So it has 100,000 tries for it to probably go bad. So, you know, 100,000 tries is pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys the app right now. Also, as you guys see, it just goes over your battery. On this case, I'm pretty sure if you close the floor, you guys can't close it here, but if your battery is outside the car, you just zip tie it like in the front of the hood. It'll be perfect just to sit on top, maybe on the side of it, but just in this case it's under the floor, so it wouldn't work great here. So this is the app right here. It says battery is okay, 90%. Your voltage, we're gonna go ahead start the car so you guys can see. See, 89% battery. The car is not on. Starting success. Let's see right here. This also works as a jumper. It comes here too. If you were in an emergency and you needed to jump start a car, this would also work as that. You have your two clamps here, but you guys see how it's connected to here. Bluetooth, and it's charging. This is a super convenient starter if you need one of these. As you guys see here, you could forcibly start the car. I believe this is how many times you have started. Temperature. You go to history, you can see all your history right here. Devices, if you have multiple different devices. You go to settings here. Pretty simple, super convenient starter to use. Anyways, if you guys want one of these, I will leave all the links down below for you guys to check them out. Once again, shout out to ANCEL. All right guys, you guys have it there. You guys see the product review is a small review, but it's a perfect thing for your car so your battery does not take the hit. This will take the hit 100,000 times, that you could try this. I'll leave all the links down below so you guys could buy yourself one. Anyways, it's been Dan, and I'm out. Peace.